Hey guys, welcome to North Wales, PA. We are on demo today for that big bar I'm building in the shop, which you'll see at the end of this video. There's Luke in the door, Dalmatian. But we're here to demo this tiki bar, what I guess you could call it a tiki bar. It's only 5 years old. And I just jumped on it on the counter to start taking the roof down, and I went right through it. So we decided we're just going to rip the rest of the tile off. The whole thing is like, there's really nothing to this thing. Ouch. Let me see. Yeah, on the other side there, I put my foot right through where the electric was, so we could cut that. But as soon as the dumpster gets here, we'll really start doing some demo. But until then, we got the wheelbarrow filled with the old tile top. I know who the company is that built this. I'm not going to say anything because that wouldn't be nice. But so this is what is here, and now you're going to get to see what is going in its place, which is just started it, so I'm still framing it, but you'll see. So here it is, and here it is. So this is the new bar in progress. This is a 10 by 10 going into place, or whatever that was we just took down. And too bad nobody was filming. You guys missed it. I was cutting the two front poles to take the roof down. I had Krabby holding the one pole and Mikey holding the other pole. And when I cut it, Mikey couldn't hold it. The whole roof came down. That metal roof came down right on my face. Smashed my glasses. I got a cut on my head. I got a knot on my forehead. So, but what did I do? I continued to work. I thought I cut my face open when I felt my, the lens of my glass rolled right down my face. And it was nothing. The lens didn't shatter, thank God, but my glasses broke. But anyway, could have been a lot worse, but I continued to work without my glasses. And then we got the roof done, and then I left them two there to finish the rest. So I came in and start working on this bar again. So this is the new one going into place. When I'm done, you'll be able to stand on it, and you won't fall through it, nor will the roof fall down. So I ran out of cedar. I got 2/3 of the way around, ran out of cedar, and I ordered some a little while ago, actually $4,000 worth, and it was supposed to be here Thursday, and now they're telling me next Thursday. So I'm going to take, now that I'm completely out, because I just did the cedar on the inside there, I'm completely out, except for some small pieces, which I need big pieces. I think I got to go find some so I can keep working. So that's going to be what I'm going to do now. All right, so just wanted to give you guys a little preview of the bar that's going into place of the one we just ripped down. All right, so these videos are going to stay nice and short until the next one. Who knows how long that one will be. But oh, anybody watching, my annual cornhole tournament is September 24th. If you're interested, give me a shout. I'll send you the info. It's a 2-person tournament, so you need a partner. And last year we had 28 teams. This year I haven't even really said anything yet, and I already have 15. So we'll see how it goes. But if you're interested, September 24th, it's a Saturday, right here at the Long Island. Yeah, no Long Island iced teas right here at the Lost Island Tiki Bar. And we got plenty of room. I forget how many boards. We had a lot of boards set up last year, and probably have a lot more. And everybody's pool play is, you guys see the video every year. I just pull teams out of a hat, and that's how you're teamed up on your boards. So let me know if you're interested. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out.